What's on your head, Katie? What are you doing? Is that a bow? Is that a bow? Are you a Christmas baby? Is it a Christmas? Are you a Christmas baby? It's a red bow. Katie pies. What's on your head, baby? What's this? What's that? She's so puzzled. Oh, now she's smiling. Aww, Katie. I'm getting a cute little video of her. She's smiling and stuff, and I'll put it on YouTube. When you go to Brad's next, you can see it. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Katie Pie's a Christmas girl. Yeah. She's kicking like a butterbean. Yeah, she's a happy camper right now.